Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting on your headset and confirming tracking and battery. This prevents mid-change interruptions. Once done, open the VR system menu, navigate to Settings, then Home or Environment, and select the Edit or Change option. Make a quick choice between using a base template or importing a saved home. This determines how many assets you'll replace. I explain why. Template speed setup, imports preserve prior layout. Now select the room scale and confirm to enter edit mode. You're in edit mode, so start by placing objects where you want them and scaling with controller grips. Use snap increments like 0, 5 to keep things aligned. Next, import assets from local storage, the cloud library, or community models, but make sure formats and file size are compatible, because incompatible files fail to load. Then tweak lighting and audio zones to match mood and visibility, and add interactive hotspots for functionality. Make measured adjustments, because small changes affect navigation. You finish by saving your changes and immediately testing the space. Walk through, interact with hotspots, and watch performance for a minute or two to catch clipping or lag. Once satisfied, choose to share or publish, set privacy correctly, invite people, or export a backup file for safety. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and reload the home. If issues persist, reset to defaults or check storage and permission settings. These steps get you live and recoverable quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.